Yoga and acidity. Let's discuss about that. Now, acidity is known as a psychosomatic disease when mind is working too fast and body is not so physically active. Again, when person is eating such a food which creates acidic tendency in system, like too much of chili, hot spices and ready-made products which have preservatives, which are deep frozen, such products, ready-made, you open the packet and eat and open the bottle and drink, such things definitely is going to create more acidic tendency in body. Now this hyperacidity is such a disease which can make person feel really uncomfortable and person can't even work properly and his performance would reduce to great extent. Acidity has to be handled with a very simple technique in yoga which is called as pranayam. It is part of our pranayam techniques where person is breathing out, pushing his stomach in and holding his breath. Person when he breathes out, he releases his tension. He releases even the excess acid which is produced in the system, stomach, to go into the intestine. And intestines will manage that. So somewhere this is a very strong technique, should be performed, but should be performed only in the morning with empty stomach, total empty stomach. This pranayam, shunyak pranayam, shunyak means emptying yourself, has a very strong philosophy behind that. Instead of holding tension, release it. Instead of worrying too much, release it to the higher reality. So this attitude also has to come when person performs this thing, and this would really benefit.
Shunyak pranayam is performed while sitting. Sit in Vajrasana and keep your back straight. Slowly breathe in and out. Now take a deep breath and pull your abdomen in. Hold your breath for a few seconds and slowly breathe out. Let us perform the pose again.